Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video I'm going to speak about skin types and different foundations because I actually got a magic foundation and I'm going to tell you in this video why. So let's start with all of my foundation. I have a MAC foundation. I have a drugstore L'Oreal foundation. Of course, I have the Fenty Beauty foundation. I have another drugstore foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. I have the Ultra HD Makeup Forever foundation stick. Of course, you think you can't live without the Dermacol foundation, so I have it also. And I have one foundation from IT Cosmetics, what I used. So, now I'm going to tell you what is the same ingredients in these foundations. So these foundations includes oil, and I have 2 glasses of water here to show you an experiment. So if you use a oily foundation, it won't have this effect what you actually want to have, because oil will stay on the top of your skin. So I'm going to show you how it looks like on your skin. I have here a glass of water and I'm gonna put all my foundations inside this glass. So one from the MAC, and as you see, if I just the oil comes on the top of the water. So I made this test with all of my foundations, but I'm going to show you the Fenty foundation. And voila, we have more oil on the top of the water. So this happens with your skin. You put the foundation on your face. You are very happy because you have a high coverage foundation and nobody can see your acne. But with this foundation, your pores in your skin never get clean. So now I'm going to show you my favorite new foundation, and I'm gonna put a drop from this in another glass of water. So as you can see, a clear glass of water, and I'm going to put a few drops inside. And now you're gonna see the difference, because I can mix it with water. So this foundation includes no oil. Show me a foundation what is that cool. So this foundation includes no oils. What does that mean? That means that your skin can breathe and your pores are not blocked. So it's like, I'm going to show you with my fingers, like here is a pore in your skin, and if you put some oily foundation on this pore, it's just going to block it. So you never can clear up your face good, because I made the experience that I used everyday foundation and I get more and more acne and more oily skin, and then I used more foundation to cover my acne, but then I always needed a few days or a week, let my skin relax and to let open my pores. But now, as I said, there is my brand new foundation which includes no oils. Our skin includes Hyaluronan. In German it is Hyaluron. I don't know, but yeah. And this Hyaluronan in your skin react with water, actually support to moisturize your skin and support also that your skin, that you don't get wrinkles on your face. So it has just goods. I'm going to show you how it covers. I have this foundation with a medium coverage, but I'm going to show you how it looks like, because I show you my skin now without any foundation, and as you can see I also have a lot of acne, but I'm going to show you this foundation. And do you know the feeling when you put a really oily foundation on your skin, that you all the time have to touch that place where you have acne and just scrub it there because your skin reacts crazy? So this is the result of the medium coverage foundation. So actually, if you are interested in this foundation, then follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link below the video, and if you don't believe my test with the water, just comment the video and I'm going to be live just for you. So actually what I forget to say is that it doesn't matter what kind of skin you have, all skin types needs to be moisturized, like with water-based products. So think about it. Now I'm going to finish my face and I'm going to show you my second favorite product, and that is the POWERLIP. Guys, this is a must-have product. Why? I'm gonna tell it to you later. So I feel like I'm done. And now let's go to the lipstick. So this lipstick is called POWERLIPS. Why POWERLIPS? Because it stays literally 24 hours on your lips. So it is actually also very hard to remove it. What is amazing? Oops. So amazing is that this lipstick is a matte lipstick, but it includes avocado oil. So it don't gonna dry out your lips, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So this lipstick exists in 12 different colors, and if you are interested in it, just contact me on Instagram. And I'm going to care about that you have this product. So do you know those tests when they just take a glass and scrub the lips on the glass and the lipstick stays on your lips? I'm going to do this now. I will try it. Actually, I need a clean glass, so wait a minute. So here is my glass with my water. And you will see that my lipstick will stay on my lips. So I don't know, do you see anything? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will tell you everything again in the description box if you don't really understand my English, so you can read it. And yeah, don't forget to give me a thumb up, and like I said in the beginning, if you don't believe me the tests, write me a comment. I'm gonna be very happy and I'm going to be live for you. So yes, bye.